Hello again, another lesson of Microsoft Excel. In this lesson, we will work with headers and footers. What's headers and footers? I think maybe you're familiar with it or not. However, headers mean something on the top of the page. It will stick on the rest of the page in your file. Footer, the same idea, something on the bottom of your page. It will stick for the bottom of the file page on your file. So for example, if you have 10 pages, you don't have to keep writing the header for each page. Just write it once, it will be there in the rest of the page. Same thing for the footers. So from where you get headers and footers. So also there are a lot of options you can do, as we're gonna see in this lesson. So this is your Excel sheet. Look at those three squares here. So this one where we are right now, the normal one, and this one it's called page layout. So if you click on it, you will see something called header, add header, and also if you scroll down, you will see add footer for each page. So if I add anything at the beginning here, so if you want to add it here or at the corner or at this corner. So let's add it here. Let's say, okay, cars, just something, anything, depends on whatever you're writing, right? And then you could go home and make colors. You could do anything. By the way, you could add picture, you could add anything you want, okay? And then if you done, so you see cars everywhere in your sheet. So here, so, and then when we go more, this will be added automatically. Okay, so let's go back here, and then I will make it bigger. So just let's copy this part here. Okay, and then okay, so now if you go to this one, you will see as you see cars is everywhere. Okay, so the same thing for footers. If you add it at the beginning here on one of them, so let's say sales or information, like anything, depends on types of your sheet. And then information should be appeared everywhere. So as you see here, and then let's change the color to make it like a little bit recognizable. Let's make it blue, and then you see here information became blue and it's everywhere in your sheet. This is what we call it header and a footer. So also, like if you click here, you could add more stuff. Like you could add page number, you could add everything. So if you click here, click anywhere and the header and footer. So let me just click. So look at the top here. There is nothing called header and footer. So, but if you click on it, you will see this one. Okay, click on this one, and then header and footer. So, and then you're gonna see a lot of information here. So, for example, you want to page the number, right? So let's put the page number here. Let's click on this one, and then go header and footer. So I will put page number. Okay, when you click OK, so it will number to your page automatically. Okay, so this one, and then go down here. This is 2, and then I think this one will be 3, and the last one will be 4. So and then more pages, it will name number them automatically. Okay, again for header and footer, if you want to add, for example, page number, number of pages, like what's the difference between number page or page number or number of pages. So it will tell you, okay, this is page 1 of 1 and this is page 2 of 2. So let's go and add the other option. Okay, and click. So you will have only one number here. So let's click here, and then sorry, let me just remove this one. Okay, go ahead and footer. So you can add, for example, current time or current date. So current time and current date, and then for example current, just write like this. It will add the date everywhere on your page. Same thing if you want to add current time. Okay, so it will add the time everywhere in your page. So current time. Okay, so what do you mean by current time? So next time when you open the file, the time will change, right? So now it's 8:01, right? So it's gonna be different. Okay, so if you go back here and then again here and then header and footer, so now it's became 8:02. Look, the time it will be updated automatically because you are adding current time. Okay, so header and footer, you could do a lot of things, and it is needed and required in a lot of you could add in the second page, first page, doesn't matter. So here, if you could add sheet name, you could add file path, you could add here more stuff. Okay, so go to you want to add picture, so a lot of information, different first page, different odd and even, so a lot of information you can add and headers and footers. Okay, so this is introduction and working with headers and footers. Please try and play with it and see what you will get in your site, and I'm sure you will like it. Okay, so I'm just gonna make it back to normal, and then in the next lesson we're gonna try to do something different. Thank you for watching, and see you again.